Angie's Table. Today we're going to be making a Greek yogurt marinade chicken wrap. I usually like this just over a bed of rice with the side salad, but we actually had rotis left over from the kari rolls. So I guess this week it's just like a chicken wrap week. Previous video was an Indian inspired and today's is a Mediterranean inspired. So let's get to it and see what ingredients we'll need. So I have all the ingredients out here in front of me, and we're going to chop up the garlic before we mix everything into the bowl of chicken. Okay, let's put the rest of the ingredients in. Lemon, spices. Now we're gonna zest half of a lemon. So now that we're done mixing it up, I'm gonna store this in the fridge. Make sure before you guys cook it that it's been marinating in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour at least. Overnight is better. Okay, now we're just gonna make the sauce. So let's combine everything into this mixing bowl. Garlic, yogurt, mayo. Sounds so gross. My favorite mint, and the salt. Taste it as you go. I love mint in my drinks and my foods because it's so refreshing. In this sauce, I mean, the Greek yogurt already brings such a cooling like...
It's tart.
But it's like a cool thing. It's like a cooling palate. No, cool. You know how there's like warm spices and cool spices? Like Greek yogurt is like a cool thing.
It's a cool thing. Are all the kids doing it?
Yeah, try it. Why? So we will wrap this and store it in the fridge until we're ready to serve. While we're waiting on the chicken to marinate, I'm going to show you guys how to decorate an empty countertop space. So basically the entire kitchen is more of like a very airy and bright feeling, and so that's why we decorated the countertops based off of that. The KitchenAid is the one and only appliance that we have out on display, and that's because it's white and it matches the whole theme of the kitchen of being airy and bright. And going on next to these books, these are all home decor or cookbooks, and basically we had nowhere to put them, but really matched the whole theme of the kitchen as well. So that's why we had it out on display. This is where we keep our wine, and we had this out serve as like a bookend so that they don't topple over all the time, and also it complements the backsplash. And this wooden board, the main purpose of it is to cover up this electrical socket here. And also we have our pantry items that are wood, and so it really matched the whole theme of it. This is a before and after. Grace, do you have anything to add since this is your kitchen? The items that you choose to be on your countertops need to be functional too, because these are items that you're going to be seeing every day, so these should be items that you should also be using almost on the daily. That's why I chose these items to go on our countertops. So an hour has passed and we're gonna cook the chicken now, and I'll just put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. There's a lot of water that gets released from all the yogurt and from just the chicken and the lemon in general. So when I place it onto the stove top, I'm gonna do piece by piece so I can eliminate a lot of the excess water. So I'm cooking this on medium to high heat, and it's probably gonna cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna heat up the rotis real quick. And now we're just gonna get plating. And that's how we make Mediterranean inspired Greek yogurt chicken wrap. So this recipe is perfect for those days where you just feel like eating something light and refreshing, but not like a salad. So I hope you guys enjoy it too. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment below for any other questions, and we'll see you guys again next week. Mm.